In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the menu bar on Squarespace effectively. Moving and modifying your menu bar can enhance the overall navigation experience for your visitors. We'll walk through a straightforward process to get everything set up just the way you want it. First, you'll need to have your website open. Once you've accessed your Squarespace site, head over to the main dashboard. This is your starting point for making any design changes, so having your website up is crucial. Once you're on your website, locate and click on the Edit option. You'll find this typically at the top of your dashboard. Selecting Edit allows you to make real-time changes, giving you a live preview of your adjustments. Now direct your attention to the site header and click on Edit Site Header. This is a key area where you can control how your navigation bar appears. This step is fundamental as the site header houses your menu and other essential elements of your page. Proceed by selecting Edit Section. This is where the real customization happens. Under this option, you'll find various design tools that are instrumental in adjusting your navigation settings. Look under the Design category. This is where you'll be spending most of your time to ensure your menu is perfectly tailored to your site's aesthetic. Here, you have several options to adjust the spacing of links and elements within your header. Adjusting these will allow you to control how much space lies between each link, which can be crucial for both aesthetic value and functionality, especially if you have a lot of pages or fewer, but want to spread them out for emphasis. You also have the option to enable or disable the fixed position for your menu bar, a feature that determines whether your menu stays in place as visitors scroll down your page. A fixed position menu bar can make navigating your site much easier for users as they can move to different sections from anywhere on your page without having to scroll back to the top. Once you've finished fine-tuning these settings and have tailored everything to your satisfaction, the final step is to click the Save button. Clicking Save will ensure that all the changes you've implemented are applied and live on your website. The end result should be a professional-looking menu bar customized to your specific needs and design preferences. That's it. You've now successfully moved and customized your menu bar on Squarespace. By understanding and making these adjustments, you can significantly improve site navigation and overall user experience. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helped make your Squarespace website even better. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.